cyber security, they are becoming order of the day, and therefore training of faculty in all these areas is also very important, because our faculty who graduated, post-graduated PhDs about 20 years ago, 15 years ago, there was no such subject that time. So a teacher has to learn all of these subjects, and therefore Atal Academy, AICT's Training and Learning, ATAL, Atal Academy has been constantly conducting programs on all these emerging areas. It's a 1-week program. We are gradually thinking about making it little more advanced and 2-week programs, and allow teachers to learn all the upcoming areas so that they can handle these courses very effectively in their respective universities and colleges. Now coming to the again merging of technologies and working togetherness is so important. You take an example of auto sector, take an example of aerospace. It is not now purely a technology which is related with that sector. For example, automobile few years ago was considered to be a hardcore specialization which has come out of mechanical engineering. What was there in automotive sector? All the automotives which we were seeing had an engine, a 2-stroke or a 4-stroke, a diesel or a petrol engine, along with that a clutch, a gearbox, the entire system, the braking system, everything was mechanical. But gradually there has been more and more of electronics embedded. Today there is a computer which will drive the car automatically without a driver. Driverless cars are not a dream but a reality which has happened. So the automotive sector is no more mechanical, it has more electronics, more computer, and therefore even if the conference has international conference on advances in mechanical engineering on one side, there is on the other side electronics, computer, electrical, all of that is coming together. The battery operated cars, EVs, they are becoming popular, and to avoid pollution this is becoming more and more significant and important.
Okay.
I think the health sector. Health sector is also equally important. We all know that pandemic itself gave us lessons that how we have to reach out to a remotest possible place using technology. And therefore, whether it is 4G today and tomorrow 5G, the solutions, the testing of the patient at a remote place without doctor or nurse going there, doing that, and then getting the data report, and then the doctors giving the right advice is all not new thing. It has already started happening to the extent that today we are talking about using you silenced everyone including me, so I think so I was not able to be heard by all of you, but anyway I will repeat 1 or 2 sentences which were there just now. About healthcare I was talking about, whether it is the medicine to reach a remote place, using drones is a technology which is being already used. Robotics for robotic surgery, it is not just for the difficult places where the robots go in the nuclear plant and somewhere, and then hazardous material handling or bomb disposal. All of these were already being talked about. Today we talk about surgery. An excellent doctor remotely placed, the patient need not go, doctor need not go there, we will be in a position to do it. So the technologies are merging. One technology takes cue from the other technology and makes use of it, so that finally we create solutions which are going to be helpful for the society. And that's why this building of knowledge, learning from each other during conferences is very, very significant and important. And this will lead way to more research, creation of startups, creation of new jobs. And what we said, Atmanirbhar Bharat, it is not just Atmanirbhar, but we will be also supporting the rest of the world. Our philosophy is not just being Atmanirbhar, we will always take care of the whole world. We always say what we say, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. That means the whole world is one family. And that was proved during pandemic by giving our vaccines to the rest of the world wherever there was requirement. We also talk about Sarve Janaha Sukhino Bhavantu. We want the whole world to be happy. And these principles have to be embedded through our culture, ethos, and not only us, but we should make others understand, realize and follow. And the best platform where we have been advocating all of this is in the United Nations. Our Prime Minister often goes there in these sessions and talks about the full net zero, no, not zero, net zero by about 15 more years, 30 years, that we will not create any pollution, we will take care of our environment. I think these are challenges which all disciplines of engineering, science, humanity is facing, and let us work together. Conferences of this nature will help us in understanding the nuances better. We'll go back to our institutions, charge up our students, continue the research and make the world a better place to live. Thank you. Namaskar.
Thank you, sir, for your guidance. Definitely, during our next season of conference, we will see with that humanities, social sciences, economics and psychology also will be added. As again you mentioned about the first areas, faculty projects, we have undertaken faculty projects, and we will be definitely taking more advantage of courses. Recently, the ACM and IIT Kharagpur has organized a function for the program where few of our faculty were attended, and our management is very keen still, but whatever you mentioned, the air and cyber security, as these two branches we are starting from this year, so we need to develop the expertise, and as per your opinion, we will be developing our faculty members for that. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your advice and your guidance.
Thank you, Mr. Again for your project. You are the real motivation to all the budding engineers like you. And thank you, Dr. Vikram Patil, sir, for mentioning a special thanks. Moving ahead, I'm elated to call upon Professor S.S. Moite, sir, Head of Department of Basic Science and Engineering, to introduce our father figure, Honorable Shri Anna Sharma.
Good morning. This is privilege to me, trust great leader, visionary, our inspiration, our backbone, and our creative personality, honorable. The full name of Papa is Anna Sahib alias Ramchandra Mahadev Dangi. Sir is born on 30 June 1936. During childhood itself, sir has keen interest in the particular development called rural development. From childhood and has completed his education in March 1954. Sir was during education itself, he was a member of Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh. From April 1954 to March 1966, sir has completed and successfully organized certain events for a farmer, and he was successful agriculturist. From April 1967, sir came to politics and leading in the politics with Sangha Party. From 1967 to 1977, full-time social worker for 7 years, district president for 10 years, and regional vice president for 3 years of Jan Sangh. On 25th June 1975, sir involved in emergency and carried out 3-month work with living underground. On 14 March 1980, sir involved in the foundation of Bharatiya Janata Party, and for 5 years, sir worked as executive principal and regional secretary for Bharatiya Janata Party. In April 1984, sir is elected of Maharashtra as member of Maharashtra Legislative Council for 18 years and group leader of National Democratic Front for 10 In 1992 and 1994, sir was the leader of opposition in Legislative Council, Government of Maharashtra as a party leader. 1987 to 201, sir was member of National Working Committee of BC. March 1995 to October 1999, sir was Cabinet Minister for Government of Maharashtra for rural development, irrigation, water conservation, water supply and sanitation. For last 10 months, sir got Minister of Visent, Social Justice, Women and Child Welfare, and also ex-serviceman. 1995 to 1999, sir was leader of State Legislative Council, Government of Maharashtra. On 6th October 1999, on 6th October 2016, sir entered into Nationalized Congress Party and Regional Vice President, Maharashtra State Nationalized Congress Party. Sir has represented Lok Sabha also. Sir has given his election in 1971 and got 30,000 votes. In 1999, sir got 1,04,000 votes, and in 1998, sir got 2,64,000 votes. Sir have represented Vidhan Sabha members from 1978 and 2004. Sir have represented Nagar Palika and he was member of Nagar Palika Islampur in 1967. Sir has got Best Award in 2002 as Best Parliamentary Speaker, Commonwealth Parliamentary Association Maharashtra. In 2010, sir was International Lifetime Achievement Award has issued. As far as the sir's educational experience is concerned, sir has created a lot of in educational area. Sir has formed Sir Jnaneshwar Shikshan Sanstha in 1986 and with certain colleges and in 1992, sir has started first school in Rashtra. In 1998, Art, Commerce, Science College in Hatkalangi, Engineering, Ayurvedic Medical College, B.Ed, M.Ed colleges, nursing colleges, ashram school, from first standard to 12th standard, military patronage school, public school, ITI, this kind of sectors are started under Sir Jnaneshwar Shikshan Sanstha. One college for handicap, sir has started 4 secondary school, 1 primary school, 6 primary ashram school, 1 school for handicap, a reputed college campus of having 2 hostels and then development project on Purneshlok Ahilyabai at Chowli, and this was the dream project of sir. As far as the work profile is concerned, sir have written a lot of and these books are becoming inspiring us. Sang Jeevan Jata, Toyota, Samajgata, Navaratna, Hit Abhiyan, Goswami Mayaka Devi, Shubhadra, Masav. Then sir has written lot of poems and poems also. Lot of more than 150 articles have written in various papers. Sir has got tremendous potential to work with politician and create a lot of infrastructure which is helpful for the education. So such great personality we have with us as a leader. Sir, I welcome you for this function and I invite you for this.
College director, sir, उपस्थित सर्व आपण आज अंतरराष्ट्रीय कॉन्फरन्स ऑफ अडवांसेस material science, mechanical and civil engineering. It's an international conference in innovation in computer science, electronics and electric engineering. All are in India, 2 दिवस. कॉन्फरन्स होते आणि चेअरमन आदरणीय डॉक्टर शिवाजी विद्यापीठाचे कुलगुरू माननीय शेळके सर यांनी सर्वांना त्याबद्दल मी आपल्या संस्थेच्या वतीनं त्यांना धन्यवाद देतो, त्यांचे आभार मानतो. असताना अतिशय महत्वपूर्ण विषय घेऊन आपण त्याच्यावर चर्चा करतोय. मी स्वागत करतो. जग झपाट्यानं चाललेलं आहे आणि आज आपल्या जवळ आहे. त्याच्यापेक्षा तरी पुढे चाललंय आणि त्याची ओळख घेण्याची आवश्यकता आहे. आणि ती आवश्यकता आपण इथे आयोजन केलं त्यामुळे सगळ्यांना धन्यवाद देतो आणि संपतो.
धन्यवाद डॉक्टर, तुमचे शब्द नेहमीच आम्हाला प्रेरित करतात. To present the token of appreciation, it's now my pleasure to call upon Dr. S.P. Savanshar, conveyor, ICA MNC.
Good morning. I'm here to thanks. At the outset, express my sincere thanks to Honorable Appa, President of Great Function, for his graceful presence and guidance offer for the conducting other. I also express my sincere thanks to Honorable Sir, Chief Guest of this function, for his presence by staying valuable time and the inspiration given to us for this function and this conference. Thanks are also to Honorable Wal, guest of honor of this function, for his valuable guidance and this wishes for the conference. We are also thankful to Honorable Sikhe Sir, guest of honor of this function, for his graceful presence and guidance to us. We are very thankful to Honorable R.A. Kanai, Chief Patron of this conference, for his timely guidance, inspiration and motivation for organizing this international conference. I also express my thanks to Honorable Vikram Patil Sir, General Chair of this function, for his guidance. I am very much thankful to Dr. A.B. Sindhi, conference chair, for his efforts in conducting this function. Authors of this efforts, participants, backbone for the conference. Thanks are also to all the researchers and participants. Lastly, I express my thanks to all the office bearers, faculty members, supporting staff, and Mr. Saman. You know organizing this function. Thank you.
We are really thankful to all the dignitaries and participants for taking our time to attend this function and making an grand success. Thank you everyone.
Stop. पूर्ण ते त्या स्क्रीनला